Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. So I was looking through my hoard of molds, if you will, and I was wondering what I was going to make this week. I already know what Thursday's video is going to be, but I was like, well, I need something for Tuesday. And I came across these coaster molds. If you don't recall, I have done these before. I will put the link to that video up in the iCard. And if you were here for that, you may recall that I had a lot of bubble issues because these little indents, if my camera would help me out, these tiny little indents, they just held on to bubbles like their life depended on it. And I kind of put them aside thinking I will probably never be able to get it to where I need it to. But I'm going to try them again today. Most likely there will still be a ton of bubbles. I had done a YouTube short trying to do just like a very thin coat at first, which helped a little bit, but not completely. And to be honest with you, I don't particularly feel like doing two coats, two pours, I mean, today. So I'm gonna give them a try again, and we'll see how this does. Not sure what colors I want to do just yet. So I guess that'll be a surprise for you guys. I'm not going to paint mica onto these like I did the last time. I'm strictly going to do a pour. And we will go from there. Yes. So let me get all of my stuff and get my resin mixed up, and we will see what colors I pick. Okay? Alright, hang tight. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Alright friends, they're cured. They're cured. I'm so excited. So, I decided to go for clear. I couldn't pick a color. But I did add some Resin glitters. So this one is the holographic teal green. And this one is 4 pointed star holographic black. So those are the colors that I decided to add. Let's go ahead and unmold. Okay. I'm trying to decide if I want to finish these. And by finish them, I mean like do what I do for the tarot cards where I lay down ink. Well, not ink, but paint. Words are hard this morning. I can see that there are quite a few bubbles. You guys probably aren't going to be able to see that there are quite a few bubbles. So, I do think I'm going to leave these plain. I don't think I'm going to finish them off. I think they turned out very pretty. I mean, you guys are probably not seeing the pattern very well on the video. But, I mean, just a cursory glance at them while they're sitting down, I can clearly see the pattern. I was very worried that you wouldn't be able to see it that well with it just being clear with glitter. But, yeah, I can see it perfectly fine. So, I do think I'm going to skip finishing these off. I'm going to show you guys an up-close video in just a second. So that way you guys can see all of the trapped bubbles that I'm seeing. I mean, they're very, very pretty. I feel like these molds are just asking for bubbles. You know what I mean? Okay. Let's see, yeah. So right here, you can see like a large chunk right there missing because of bubbles. Like you can see these up here incomplete because of bubbles. And so if I were to finish these off with the acrylic paint, I mean, it would just highlight those so much. Whereas right now, like, yeah, I'm noticing them because I know what to look for. Other people who you know, aren't very savvy in the troubles of the resin crafter are not really going to notice, you know, the bubbles right now. But again, if I put the black on there, it would look terrible. So I am going to keep these plain. But yeah, so that is today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I still really, I like the molds. I'm not down on the molds. I really like the molds. I just wish that they weren't such bubble traps, you know, because I think you could sit here and place the resin in with a pipette and do it very slowly and use your heat gun and use, you know, a long neck lighter or whatever to get rid of bubbles, and you would still have a million trap bubbles. I think that's just the nature of these molds, unfortunately. But it is what it is. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel. It helps me to grow. Also, if you are new and you enjoy stuff like this, please hit the subscribe button. Ring that bell for notifications. It's right down there. It's that little red thing. Alright, friends. That is it for me today. And I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.